Welcome to our video on having an emergency fund. Today we're going to talk about why it's important to have one, how to set one up, and how it can help you handle unexpected expenses. First, let's define what an emergency fund is. It's a savings account set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. It's money you can access quickly and easily in case of an emergency. It's recommended to have 3 to 6 months of living expenses in your emergency fund. This will help you cover unexpected expenses such as job loss, medical bills, or home repairs. Setting up an emergency fund can be as simple as opening a savings account and setting up automatic transfers each month. Start small and increase your contributions over time. Look for ways to cut expenses in your budget so you can redirect that money into your emergency fund. Make saving for an emergency a priority by putting it at the top of your list of financial goals. It's important to keep your emergency fund accessible but not too accessible. You don't want to be tempted to use it for non-emergency expenses. Remember, an emergency fund is there to protect you from financial stress in case of unexpected events. It's a safety net that can give you peace of mind. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and resources.